Hi, I'm Abby Mitchell from the Jane Goodall Institute Australia, and today I greet you from Yuin country on the south coast of New South Wales, Australia. I'm very excited to be considered for an award for the book that I co-edited called Living Landscapes, and I'd like to a huge shout out to Jen Cunningham, who is my co-editor. This book is about celebrating the voices of 11 Indigenous nations around Australia. And the way that we have done that is we've asked them to speak about what's important to them, to talk about culture in present day Australia, to talk about tradition, land management and caring for country. This book is their voice. Jennifer and I are merely acting to collaborate, shall we say, and make sure it's a smooth ride for everybody involved. It's a very exciting project, but that's phase one, collaborating and getting the book together. The next part of this exciting journey will be in early 2022 when the book, along with 3 other titles, are rolled out to 4,000 schools around Australia as part of what we call the Resource Box for Schools project. About halfway through creating this book, we decided to call it Volume 1. Because we realised that we were only just scraping the very tip of how much there is to talk about and how many different nations we would have liked to invite to contribute to this book. So hopefully there will be a volume 2, and again we'll get to explore some of the other amazing nations around Australia. Thank you very much for considering the Jane Goodall Institute Australia for this award. It's very exciting, and we hope that our work inspires others around the world to learn a little bit more about the important cultures in their neck of the world. The Jane Goodall Institute Australia would like to thank our amazing partners in pulling together this project. These are Anthony Phillips, Don Hanson Charitable Foundation, the Petoris Group and Stuart McPherson, who actually wrote the other 3 books that are in this year's Resource Box for Schools. I'd also like to thank all of my colleagues because we're a team here at JGIA and we've done this together, so go us.